In this session we're going to explore the joint pendant. So you can open a joint pendant for the robot by clicking on the toolbar icon of a little pie shaped, and it brings up a panel with the 6 joint angles corresponding to the 6 joint angles of the robot. If you position the mouse in the first joint pendant slider widget and move that wiper back and forth, it moves joint 1, and you can see joint 2 can be moved, and you'll notice that the joint boundaries, the joint limits, are shown also. If you get close to a limit, that green area will turn red to show that it's close to a limit. The yellow is showing how far the joints moved for that particular movement, and if you press clear you can clear those. We'll see that. And then finally joint 6, you're moving the joint 6 of the robot. So let's clear that and then move the robot home, and you can see how far we moved home. So we'll clear that again. Notice that if you move a joint and then to a value of about -31, you can actually go in there and set it to exact value, say 30 degrees. And we'll do the same thing with joint 3. We'll move it to -113, but let's say we want it to be at -20, so you can enter the exact values you want for those. So we'll clear those. Then we'll move joint 5, for example, to 35 degrees. Now let's create we click on Teach JV, and it makes it JV under the quick pick in the graphics window. Let's move the robot home, and you can see in the graphics window there's a JV shape that's circular with a little line, and it corresponds to that JV0. Now we say to JV, we can actually move the robot to that JV, and we can see the motion in each of the joint angles. And we'll clear that off.